categories. So you got the sponges, the tubes. This is the first thing that I noticed when I came to the reef. All the big tubes down there. And we call them sponges because they're hollow. And that's why they're filters. They suck down the water through there. And they're like big filters. That's one of the reasons why the water visibility is so great. Is because of those sponges. So everything is hollow. It's got a hole in it. Then it's going to be a sponge.
Oh, okay. There's some fish. Oh, look at those. Oh, the turtle. Oh, cool.
Now, all the plants, they're not plants, they're called soft corals. So when you take it out of the water, the reef is made out of calcium limestone, so therefore it is white. It doesn't have a color. Stripy guys, sergeant majors. But then the brain coral, those are the hard corals. Pretty obvious that they're called like that because they look like brains. Now, it's just about 300 years old, the size of a basketball. So that's how slow it is growing. It's not made in one day, okay? So imagine a bunch, millions of small animals like jellyfish. They're very microscopically small, and they use the calcium in the water to make these structures down there. And it takes hundreds of years for you